Another bag spotlight with our Burberry Haymarket bucket bag. Now this is a stylish, classic drawstring bag, crafted to its very core with the brand's signature British Haymarket check canvas. Designed with precision detail and linings, the bag vibrantly showcases its caramel leather trims at the bottom, a leather shoulder strap, a trim around the top crest, and a leather cinch cord to seal them all away into a sturdy day-to-day bag, with a light classic Burberry base color. Inspecting the top opening, the black fabric interior will greet your belongings fondly with its properly spaced room and zippered pockets hanging adjacent with the bag tag. Medium-sized, in good condition, and of course authentic, this is a bag that your friends will most certainly foam over as you wear it around town. Want yours? Send us a message for your orders.